Welcome to Circle Time. I am so happy you're here today. My name is Miss Katie, and today we're going to talk about dinosaurs and letter D. Did you know dinosaurs used to roam the earth? But now they are extinct. That word means that they no longer live. They all died, and now they are extinct. Can you say that word? Extinct. Yes. But you know what? We know that they were here because their bones have been found, and special scientists called paleontologists study their bones. And they used to live all across the earth. And today, we're going to talk about some of those dinosaurs. Do you have a favorite dinosaur? That's a good one. If you don't have one, you can learn about some different dinosaurs today. This dinosaur is called a pteranodon, and it was a fish-eating dinosaur. Reminds me of a bird with a beak. It was a flying reptile, and it liked to eat fish. This dinosaur is called a Triceratops. Tri means three, and this dinosaur had 3 horns on its base. Triceratops. It weighed about as much as an elephant. This dinosaur is my favorite, the Brachiosaurus. It had a very long neck. It was a plant-eating dinosaur. It's believed that this could be one of the biggest animals ever to roam the earth, the Brachiosaurus. Ankylosaurus. This one was like a stiffened lizard. Can you see its armored back and its clubbed tail it would use to fight off predators? Wow. This one is called a Stegosaurus. It was a herbivore with massive body and 2 rows of plates on its back. This one is called a Utah Raptor, and it was found in the state of Utah. Can you see its huge curved claws? It is believed that it may have had feathers, but it can't fly. This dinosaur is a lot of people's favorite. It's called a Tyrannosaurus rex. Some people use its nickname, T-Rex. This one was a tyrant lizard king, and it is famous and has a reputation for being very fierce and deadly. Has small arms. Look at his teeth. Wow, Tyrannosaurus rex. We just reviewed some dinosaurs, and maybe your favorite one was there, but if not, that's okay. Today we're also talking about letter D. I see uppercase D and lowercase d, and even though they look different, they make the same sound. Duh, duh. Do you see something in my train car that starts with letter D? Duh, duh, dinosaurs. Today, as we make letter D, remember we always start at the top. Down, stop, back to the top, big bump. Now we're going to do lowercase d. Start at the top. Down, stop, back to the middle, little bump. And did you notice this bump went the other way? Instead of going that way, like uppercase D, it went this way. It went the other way. And even though they look different, the word different starts with D, even though they look different, they make the same sound. Duh, duh. This is how we make D in sign language. We put our pointer up and then our other fingers in a circle. Duh. Letter D. I see uppercase D and lowercase d. Notice how their bumps go different ways. They look different, but they make the same sound. Duh, duh. we're going to practice making D. You can practice too if you'd like. You can pause the video and find something to write on, or you can just watch Miss Katie. Here we go. Start at the top. Down, stop, back to the top. Big bump. Uppercase D. Lowercase d, we're going to go line down, back to the middle, little bump. Lowercase d. D says duh. Friends, we're going to sing about the days of the week again. There are 7 days in the week. I'm going to snap my fingers, but if you can't do that, no problem. You can just clap your hands like this. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, friends, Slowly's going to come today, and he's going to do letter D words with us because we're talking about letter D. Hello, Slowly. I'm so happy you're here. Oh, he's waving to you, friends. He remembers you. He likes you. All right, Slowly, let's use teamwork and do letter D words with our friends. Are you ready? Here we go. D, a, g. Dog. D, I, g. Dig. D, a, n, s. Dance. Oh, Miss Katie likes to dance. Do you like? Oh, I think Slowly likes to dance too. Awesome. Okay, one more word. D, I, n, o, s, r. Dinosaur. That was a big one. Thank you, Slowly. I love how Slowly comes and helps us to sound out words and then put them together fast, so we can become good readers. I've got something in my mystery box that starts with letter D. Okay, I'm going to give you clues and see if you can guess it. Oh, I think some of my friends have something like this at their house. It is a type of pet, and it has 4 legs. Yes, and it starts with letter D. And this is the last clue. It likes to bark. Oh, you got it. Very good guessing. Dog. Dog. Dog starts with letter D. All right, friends, for our letter chant today, we are going to do dancing, and you can dance however you want. As we say the D sound, we do dance moves. Dance. Dance. All right, let's start at A and go all the way through D. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Bug. Bug. Cut. Cut. Dance. Dance. Wow, we're getting good at that. We're just going to keep building on our letter chant. I want to recommend a book for you. This is a book Miss Katie really likes to read. It's called How Do Dinosaurs Eat Their Food? I like this book because even though it has dinosaurs throughout it, it also talks about something important, our manners and how we should eat our food. I really like this book and I recommend it to you. It is by Jane Yolen and Mark Teague. All right, friends, I hope you can go on a letter D hunt in a book or throughout your house, and I hope you have fun pretending today. Have a happy day.